What's up guys? Just want to give you guys a quick update of my electric standing desk. It is completely powered by that one solar power bank charged through the window solar panel. As you can see, it is currently at, the sound went down a little bit. The consumption is 34 watts and input is only 5 watts. So this whole thing consumes about 34 watts. And this is the up and down control. The memory setting is super easy. And I have a standing up and sit down option. Let me raise the desk again. And it's working really hard at, the total power consumption increased. Okay, that's my standing up position. I can go even higher. I think that is the highest setting. The desk is only 24 inches wide and 47 inches long. And perhaps I will do a monitor arm mount for that one. Perhaps 2 monitors in the future. But for now, I'm okay with only one monitor, one external monitor. About my old previous setup, I'm probably gonna get rid of everything here and move these 2 monitors on this desk. Okay. Just also want to show you the solar panel outside. So there's overcast. When the sun comes out, you will actually see it's around a 56 watts input. That's a 100 watts panel. It's not perfectly aligned to the sun. And that's my floating desk. I'm gonna make some major changes to the desk. Mount some 7-piece of wall control, and make this a workbench area and not for my daily computer related work. So that will be done here. It's a really compact desk. I do plan to install 4 casters for these feet. Okay, works super smooth. I have another video about the camera gear rig using this kind of standing desk up and down motion. So sometimes I would just sit down, but most of the time standing up is a fantastic option. I feel a lot better standing up than sitting down. The noise is pretty minimum. So that's, as you can see, by the way, it is completely powered by that solar panel, solar power bank, and I'm not connected to the wall outlet. Okay, this power strip goes all the way back here to the power bank, and that is, of course, I'm gonna do better power cable management and mount this thing upside down. So I have an even cleaner look. But I don't like this type of power strips that's just really close to each other, especially when you have a larger power brick. Not a good idea, but it does come with 2 USB Type A ports, which allows better charging. So another mod I would do in the future is to mount a little box holder here for all the wires. So I do not want to see any wires on the table. Perhaps I'll do another video about all my mods to this desk with the casters. So I just ordered 4 2-inch casters on Amazon. I feel really comfortable working here. This is such a nice idea. Working, standing up and not sitting down. it's good for my health, I believe. Good ergonomics. Once again, let's see it again. And I have to take off the wall-mounted MacBook Pro dock. Yeah, but in the summer, this is summertime. In the summer, I do prefer leaving the laptop open and not having close it up, and that's really bad for the battery as it gets really warm and even hot sometimes. And closing it up in that dock really does not help. I already replaced the MacBook Pro battery once, a few months back, within warranty, by the way. So too bad I cannot show you that actually it takes more power in than the power out. So it started at 87%. Now it's discharging, of course, but the sun would offset a lot of power. But on a sunny day, I'm getting more power than I can use in this setup. So technically, with this power bank and the solar panel outside, I'm actually working off the grid, and I don't spend a penny on electricity. Your initial investment is just this thing and a 100-watt solar panel for a compact, tiny setup like this. By the way, this monitor is only consuming 15 watts to 18 watts max. That's a maybe less than 20 watts when it's idling, so only 34 watts with these two things combined, and the power strip with a USB charger. Sometimes I do charge my phone on that little stand. Okay. With casters, I have a lot more ideas. Maybe I could clamp some microphone arm on it and shoot my video here as a tripod. That's another idea I can experiment with. Also have a lying down setup with the help from a monitor arm. I can lie down and work when pulling these two stands closer to myself and leaning forward, I'm sorry. And that's another potential idea for future videos. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, by the way, that's a caster. So like I said, everything in my office has to be on casters. So this thing is also on casters. I bought these 4 casters, actually 8 casters on Amazon about 2 years back. Okay. So another video coming up about my wall control unit. Okay. And cable management is waiting to be to be worked on. That's a mess. I removed my 55-inch TV and the soundbar. Okay, that's for future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks. Bye.